everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today my kitchen is a mess. We harvested tomatoes this morning and I have tomatoes everywhere. I've got tomatoes tray freezing to put in as whole ones. I've got tomatoes I'm juicing to make tomato juice, and I'm making ketchup. So it's a very busy day. Plus I have sweet corn and okra and some peppers and some cucumbers to do yet today, plus 3 cantaloupe. So it's going to be a very busy day. So first of all, you know how I made the sauce. I'll link that up above. I made that the other day. So today I'm going to show you how I'm making my tomato juice. Okay, the first thing I did was, of course, harvest the tomatoes. And then we washed them. And then I cut them up and I ran them through my juicer. And it makes a lot of noise, so I'm not going to turn it on to show you how we did it. But basically, you just quarter the tomatoes up and put them in the chute, push it down. The juice comes out here, the pop comes out here. Next thing I'm doing is I'm just bringing it to a simmer. This is to pasteurize it before I freeze it. So once this simmers, I'll leave it simmer for about 5 minutes and then I'll leave it cool, and then I'll put it into glass jars and put it in the freezer. Right now my glass jars are in the dishwasher underneath the sterilization cycle, getting sterilized, so they'll be ready when the juice is ready. I'll take them out, I'll put them on a towel upside down, leave them cool just a little bit, and then I'll put the juice into them. So that's how I make my frozen tomato juice. This is what I got from my tomato juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ounces jars. When you're looking at to freeze, you look for a straight up and down jar, and you fill it so it's got at least a 1/2 inch to expand. And you wipe the tops of the rim off to make sure there's no juice or anything on them. And you simply take your lid and put it on and screw it down and put it in the freezer. And I like to leave it freeze, and then I go back and with my vacuum sealer and I will seal the tops to keep it fresh even longer. And these will go in the freezer, and I can have tomato juice that I can use either as a drink, which is very good, or I can use it as a base for meatloaf or soups or chili, anything that I want to use the tomato juice in. And it takes up much less room in your freezer than the large hunks of tomatoes. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you would. Share it with your friends. Remember to dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Bye, everybody.